Hello everyone, my name is Judith Katama. I'm a full stack developer. Today I'm going to talk about the platform we have built. So the platform name is AMA Pregnancy Health Assistance. AMA stands for AI Powered Maternal Health Assistance. So basically what the platform does is it's empowering safe and informed pregnancy journey with AI driven and offline functionality. So the challenges are maternal mortality in underserved rural Africa community remains a critical challenge. Many mothers face life-threatening situations due to limited access to timely medical advice, healthcare facilities, and emergency assistance. So one is lack of access. They don't have access to healthcare facilities, especially the rural areas. The second one is preventable complications. The third one is connectivity barriers. So the first one, as I said, they have lack of access to healthcare facility and medical advices. The second one is preventable complication. Many lives are lost from preventable complication due to lack of awareness and warning signs. The third one is absence of internet access, further isolation, mothers from vital informations. So these are the challenges our platform will be resolving. So let's start with the introduction. Introduction to our platform. Introduction to AMA. AMA is a cross-platform maternal health solution designed to save lives by leveraging offline-first mobile technology and intelligent web system. It delivers a consistent, reliable, and intelligent healthcare experience to pregnant women and healthcare providers. So, key capabilities of AMA. Basically, these are the things our platform can do. The first one is voice assisted AI, natural conversation in Amharic, local language, and English, working offline on mobile, and offline health guidance, WHO approved knowledge based smart alerts, and custom reminders for checkups. The third one is healthcare passport monitoring, full medical records storage, QR code sharing, and risk assessment. The first one is emergency detection. Our AI will analyze and predict risk, and it will basically notify the doctor on the risk, so they can check the mother. So the technologies we used to build the platform are for the front end on the mobile, the Android. We have actually built two platforms. One is web app. The second one is Android application. Sorry. So for the mobile, we have used Flutter, Dart, and SQLite. And also for the iOS, we have used Atis AI and Vosk. For the website of the front end, we have used React, TypeScript, and for the backend on both mobile and web, we have used Nest, Node, Supabase, Supabase for database authentication and storage, and the database which stores actually is PostgreSQL. And for the voice AI, we have used Addis AI for Amharic, this for the local language, and the second one is Web Speech API. This one is for the web app. And data sync, as I said, its functionality. One of its functionality is offline. So data sync, we have used offline first with local database sync. Security and privacy, local encryption. The password, the email is encrypted, so the security is very high. So what we are proud of. So we are proud of the functionalities for the fully offline mobile functionality. The second one is multi-language voice assistant. As I said, it works on local language, which is Amharic, what we speak here. In the future, we have planned to make it accessible all around Africa. So every local language, for example, let's say Ghana, Kenya, every every country will be using the AI with their own language. The third one is emergency system. Our platform instantly recognizes critical symptoms and send alerts, and unified health passport. So this is shareable between mobile and web via a QR code generated. And inclusive design work across literacy level, geographics, and devices. So it supports multiple devices, including a laptop, phone. So what's the next plan for our platform AMA? So in the next section, we have planned to make the community chatbot offline so everyone can access with their Bluetooth and more local language in Ethiopia. There is a lot of language. There are 80 plus language. We have planned to make the AI work with all of those language and impact and outreach public health campaigns. We have planned to drive awareness using anonymized AMA data and community training. We have planned to partner with NGOs to train health workers on how to use this platform and leverage the health system more. So basically, this is the introduction. I will take you to the platform next. I will present a web app. My partner, whose name is Dawit, will be presenting the application on the next video. But on this one, I will be presenting the web app. So this is the landing page. Basically, on this section, people can come and chat with our platform to get the basic idea of what the platform does. So let me just send some quick message. So I can chat with the platform, I can chat with the AI, and it will tell me what is capable of what we can do on the platform and basically tell people about the platform. So it will return something like I'm here to help you maternal health questions and guide you through our platform. You can ask about what AMA is and how it works. So people can ask what our platform basically does. So it will return a descriptive idea of what the platform is. So this is the landing page. It's very interactive and we also promote our application here so people can download application. In the future, we have planned to launch the application on iOS and Android so people can download the app. We also promote that. So this is the front end part of the platform. On the feature section, they can see what the platform features are. On the how it works, they can see how they can leverage this platform and how the it's basically take you through what the platform does from initial up to the end. So initially you set up profile. I will take you to these steps on the dashboard. So the impact, you can see our impact, what we have managed to do so far. And also there is a about us section. You can see what our mission, our vision, and what the platform is about. So let me just sign in. So this is the landing page for the sign in. Let me sign up so I can take you to the process. Let me use this email. Let me give it a password and create an account. So an email will be sent to the email I have provided here. So let me check my email. So I'm opening my email. So this is the email that will be sent here. So they can activate their account. So let me verify my email address. So after verification, I will be asking to enter some basic data so that our AI can understand us. Like basically this is onboarding data. I will be asked to enter my age, emergency contact number in case there is an emergency. Our AI will be using this phone number. I will select the language. and the pregnancy, like how many weeks pregnant are you? Let's say 5 weeks. I'll be asked for a month, I mean the 4 months, and last menstrual period. I'll be entering a year here. There is any medical condition or disease, I'll be putting it here. I have no medication. I have no disease. Let me put that. So these are basically the data that I have entered, so I can complete the setup. So this is the dashboard. So basically on this section, I can start checking in. Like this is the weekly check-in. Current pregnancy week, I have entered this data 5. Mood rating, let me enter 6. Energy level, let me enter 7. Sleep quality, how am I sleeping? Am I sleeping well with this pregnancy? Basically that's the question. Let me put 8 here. So if there is a symptom like I'm feeling, I can just, there are basically some symptoms that pregnant women go through. We have put those data, so a mother can come and check the list if she's feeling these symptoms. Let me just enter some data here. So if there is additional notes, I can put that also. Then I can complete the check-in. This section is analyzing the data, my pregnancy week, my mood rating, my energy level, my sleeping quality, and the symptoms. So after that, the AI will recommend me on what to do. This is my personalized recommendation based on the symptoms I have entered. So it will tell me try eating small, avoid spicy, and greasy food. So we have actually put the disclaimer on this is the AI recommendation, not medical advices. For that, you have to see a doctor. So this disclaimer is very necessary. So these are the suggestions the AI suggested for me to do. So if I completed this, I can just check it. I can just click on it. I can click complete on all of them. After that, I get the congratulations message. So I have completed all of the AI suggestions. So this is like the weekly check-in section. So the voice assistant section. These are the section people can come and talk to our AI with voice. So since I'm recording a video, I cannot record my voice, but on the for this demonstration purpose, we have actually put some common questions. So I can ask the AI, ask about this week. What should I expect this week? Basically, this is the question I have asked them. So the AI will return a recommendation at 5 weeks. What should I expect? So this is the section people can come and chat with the voice AI. I'll be putting the deployed link on the documentation. You can actually test this one by yourself. So the third one is emergency system. So on this section, based on the data I have entered here on the weekly check-in on the symptoms, sorry about that, our AI will analyze this data and assess my current risk. If I'm high level of risk, it will contact my emergency contact I have put on the onboarding. Let me assess the current risk. So risk assessment completed. My risk is very high. Recommendation: monitor pregnancy progress closely. Consider specialist consultation. So it will tell me to contact my doctor based on my risk level. My risk level is medium level. From the symptoms, is medium. My risk level. So this is the section. Just analyze the data and tell me how high my symptoms are. So if my symptom is very high, let's say it's 70 from 100, it will actually send emergency alert to my phone number directly. So I can contact my doctor and tell him about I'm not feeling good. So what should I do? Things of that nature. So the fourth one is health passport. This section is storing our data, our health data basically. So I can view my record based on the data I provide on the onboarding. So here is my profile, here is my weekly check-in. So our data is stored. Like, I won't lose anything. If I forget something, I can come to this section and see the data I have put here. So the second one is I can generate a QR code. So if I scan this code, it will actually return the data I have put here on our platform. I can download those data and I can also scan it here. So I can also print my summary. So basically this is the data, my age, my pregnancy week, my medical condition, my emergency contact. I can actually print those data if I want to. So as I said, I can view my record, I can generate a QR code, I can also print my data. So these are the things I can do on this section. So the fifth one is danger detection. So on this section also, the AI will detect our danger. Let me just start symptom assessment. These are some major data that pregnant woman feels on their pregnancy journey. Let me just post some data from the checklist. So on this section, these are emergency symptoms. You have to seek immediate care. If you are feeling this kind of thing, you have to your doctor. These are very immediate care necessary data. So the second one is monitor system. The third one is general symptoms. So let me just check one from each. So how is my fever from 1 to 10? Let's say 6. How am I vomiting? Sorry, let's say 6. Frequently urination, let's say 7. And also on this section, let's put 7. And duration from 1 to up to 6 hours and assess risk. So based on this data, critical risk detection. Your risk assessment indicate a critical situation that require immediate medical action. So our AI analyze the data and tell us our risk. So this number is a doctor number, is an open number. People can call and contact free doctors. So we have put that number so people can call directly to the doctor and provide this data and tell the doctor what they are feeling. So the last one is journey monitoring. On the journey monitoring, it will tell me my trimester. I'm on my first week. So also it will tell me my due date, like estimated time of the child, the birth, estimated time of the birth. It will tell me that. So I can actually change the data if I want. Let's say I'm on my 7, I'm on my 29 weeks. It will change the trimester. I'm on my third week. The due date is still the same. This is an estimation. So I can view these are the things I can do on the journey monitoring section. So on the profile section, I can edit my profile. I can edit the basic data I have entered on the onboarding. If I made a mistake of entering my age wrong, and if the language I've selected is not correct, and if my menstrual period is not correct, I can actually change it. I can change, let's say, my age to 27, 28. My pregnancy month, I can also change that, and I can also save the data. So basically, these are the things you can do on the dashboard side of the web app. So overall, this is our platform. My partner will be presenting the Android version of the platform. So I have presented the web version of the platform. Thank you, everyone.
Hi everyone, my name is David Karan. I'm a full stack developer. Today I'm going to show you a platform called AMA. It means AI powered maternal health assistance. Me and my friend Latu developed this platform so that every mothers, even in rural areas and also in urban areas, can use this platform when there is no doctors nearby. So this platform, this is a splash screen. So the user first clicks on the get started button. After that, the login page will appear, and if the user doesn't have an account, he will click the create new account button. Then this nice sign up page will appear. So let's test this. If I enter full name like Chala Beqqala, and if his email address is chala@gmail.com, and if we give it a password like this, we type it, and when the user clicks the create account button, okay, the registration failed because the email is already there. So let's make it chala12@gmail.com, and if we click the create account button, this will appear. So the verification code will be sent to chala12@gmail.com. So if we go to our email address and if we refresh it, so as you can see, the email verification will be sent to Chala Beqqala's email. So we'll copy this one and enter it here, 9279, 9279, and 79 at last, 79, and this automatically will redirect us to this page. So as you can see, this is the onboarding section, and in the onboarding section there are two types of users: the pregnant woman person and also the community health worker. So if the system is mainly developed for pregnant women, so that they can track their maternal states and other symptoms during the pregnancy stage, but other health workers, even her husband and other peoples, can join the system and check for their wives and other things. So he can click here as he can get here as a community health worker or as a pregnant woman. So let's try it as a pregnant woman, and if we click hit next, then this is a section where the mother will provide her personal information like her full name, like Chala Beqqala, and her age like 29, and emergency contact where the system will contact her emergency contact if she is in danger, and city or location. Let's say it is Addis Ababa, and if we click it next, here is the information where mother will add her last period date, or if she didn't remember her last period date, she can enter her estimated conception date. Let's add the last period date. So if we add it as June 15 and click OK and click next, in this onboarding section, the user or her moms will enter her kilos, her weight, like if we click it 54, and her blood pressure, the systolic and diastolic, 79, and this pop-up this text message will show that normal blood pressure is 180 to 80 millimeter Hg. Then if you click next, in this section, the user will provide if there is an existing health issues like blood pressure, diabetes, and if she don't have, she can pass it. If no health issues is selected, she can pass this section. Or if the disease is not really selected here, she can click the other button. Let's click the high blood pressure and heart diseases and click complete. Then the system at last will let the user here. This is the main screen of the mobile app. As you can see, her name will appear, expecting mother. Here the health status information like her blood pressure, her weight, health conditions, and also there is a pregnancy progress. So the AI we integrated will first analyze her onboarding data and learns her data and predicts the week she is in. So as you can see, the system predicts she is in the week 6 of her pregnancy, or 235 days to go until she gives birth. So if we click the view pregnancy journey section, you can see that the pregnancy timeline will be divided into 3 parts. The first trimester, the second trimester, and the third trimester. So as you can see, she is in the first trimester because it shows that it's current. So if she clicks this one, she can see whole descriptions about what will happen in the first trimesters, like warning signs and other things like diet and rest tips and everything. And also she can see the second trimesters, in the third trimesters also, delivery checklist, referral alert, and everything about these informations. Next, there are quick action buttons. In the quick action buttons, there are 4 tabs. The first one is symptom checker, the voice assistant, the health records in the emergency. If we click the symptom checker, in the mom, here the mom will describe her symptoms. Like if she types high bleeding, and if you click analyze system, the AI we integrated here will show us how the risk level of her symptoms and the recommendations, and also an alert message that this is an AI-generated information, and she should consult a professional healthcare provider, and she can contact the doctors here. So as you can see, there is an emergency call number. She can call it right away from this one. And also there is a quick contacts like doctors who specialize in maternity, and also emergency contacts her husband, which she provided earlier. So if she click here, the system will call directly to her emergency contacts. And also here are the common pregnancy symptoms like headache, dizziness. So if I click analyze symptoms, this will show us risk level. It says high in the recommendations. The recommendations will be like doing exercises, having races, about her diet also, and everything. The next section will be voice assistant section. In the voice assistant section, we added an AI. So if the user or the mother is not being able to type her symptoms, like in the symptom checker, she can talk to the AI automatically using the voice. Then the AI will answer using her voice. The AI will answer using the voice. So there is a voice-to-voice integration here. So she can tap this section and she can answer it. We didn't implement it here. We'll implement it after the MVP. The next section will be the emergency sections. As you can see, this is the same sections as the previous sections. This is the emergency sections where she can call to the emergency calls, her doctors, the emergency contacts, and everything. Then there is a health record section. When the user clicks the health record section, this will be the digital health passport, where the user can print all her informations, like her blood pressure and everything that the system knows about hers. So when she clicks the QR code, this page will appear and she can share her QR code, her information, or she can scan her QR code and get her data. So this share button lets her share to a device or to any person or social media or everything. And the next section is the daily health tips. So the AI we integrated will learn her onboarding sections data and give her day-to-day tips so that she can control and have a nice life, and no problem will happen during her pregnancy sections. So as you can see, in her pregnancy, today's health tips say that take prenatal vitamins. Ensure you are taking folic acids and other essential vitamins to support the baby development. And if we click this speaker section,
ensure you're taking
as
folic
you can
acid
hear
and
it,
other
the AI will read for her if she's not available or she cannot read it here. The AI can speak to her in voice. So as you can see in the bottom navigation bar, there are the system sections. This is the same as that we clicked before. For better enhancement, we added it here, and also the health passport section. And there is a community section where the mothers look for other moms so that they can talk to each other and get supporters. So if she click the join community section, and she can post everything or anything she wants, like hi moms, and she can post this as anonymously, or she can post this directly like this. So she can get other mothers nearby. Next, this is a profile section. So when the user clicks the profile section, she can see all her datas, and also she can check, she can edit this one by clicking this button. So if she clicks this button, she can only change her name, like Ila, and she can click save. So profile update successfully. So this will be changed. And there is also a settings button so that she can turn off her notifications, the voice assistant, the location service. Even she can change the language and other things like the support, helping frequently asked questions here. Like she can see about the about our platform, view the licenses that the mobile app is using about her phone. And at last she can log out here. When click log out, she can log out in every time. So every time once a user is registered to this device, so the platform will register her IMEI. So next time she don't have to log in. She just can enter into the systems directly. This is all. Thank you very much for seeing or watching.